Hello and welcome. My name is Elsie Kent, and today I am going to tell you exactly why your affirmations are not working, what you can do about it, and I'm going to give you a free tip to help them work even better. Strap in, let's go. You don't resonate with the message. Concentration follows interest. If you're not consciously interested in the message that's being given to you, your subconscious mind is going to reject it. Your subconscious mind has to agree to what is being said in order for it to work. The more excited you are about the message that you're being told, the more likely it's actually going to stick, and the more quickly you're going to see changes happen in your waking life. You're just not putting in the time. Think about it this way. Let's say you get on a health kick and you decide you're going to do 500 sit-ups on a Tuesday night. Do you expect to have a six-pack on Wednesday? If you do, you are going to be very disappointed because that's not the way exercises work. Mental exercises are just like physical exercises. If you don't do them continuously over a span of time, you will not see any lasting change. If you go back to your old habits, you're going to get your old results. If you quit halfway through, you're going to revert back to your old programming. That's just the way the brain works. It doesn't like change. It's resistant to change. So you can't just smack it over the head with change. That's called trauma. What do we have to do to get the results we want? They say it takes anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, 21 to 28 days minimum to see lasting change. So the best thing that you can possibly do is go on to YouTube, find tracks that completely resonate with you, stick those in that playlist, and then make it a point at the same time every day to play those tracks. And the number one reason why your affirmations aren't working for you, I'll tell you in a moment. Here's a little tip that's going to make it a lot easier for you. Make it a point to be doing something else while you're listening. Turn the volume down really, really, really low while you're working, playing a video game. Have your conscious mind engaged in something that's going to absorb your attention. This is going to get you into what is known as alpha state. So what the heck is alpha state? Have you ever been watching TV or a movie and the next thing you know you have to turn the lights on because the sun went down and you didn't notice? That's alpha state. When you are in alpha state, you are 200 times more likely to quit smoking or to lose weight. That's it. All right, so you want to know the number one reason why affirmations are not working for you right now? They don't follow the laws of neuro-linguistic programming. Not all affirmations are created equal. You know the absolute value sign in math? Whatever number they surround, it automatically makes them positive. Well, your subconscious mind takes in all information with absolute value. Meaning, when you hear affirmations talking about, I'm not going to do this thing anymore. I don't want to do this thing anymore. I never want to do this. Your brain cancels those words out and it absorbs the rest of what's in that sentence. If you find even one affirmation in those many affirmations, you're wasting your time in listening to it because your brain is already primed in that direction to do that thing that you've decided is not serving you anymore and you want to change. So your brain is going to glom on to that one sentence that's going to set you up for failure. That's the last thing you want. Make it a point to listen to the affirmations consciously before you zone out while you're doing it, or write your own affirmations. Yes, I know, it's a pain in the butt. The easiest way to do this, write down all the affirmations that work for you and say them into your phone. And then all you gotta do is figure out a way to get it to play on a loop. Thank you so much for tuning in so far. I hope everything that I said finally makes sense to you and you can go forth and be the best version of yourselves that you can possibly be. Take care. See you next time.